Now this question numbers 5 to 8 is a combination of both direction sense test and data sufficiency. They combine these two and 4 questions are asked. All of them from direction sense test, and what we have to answer is not the exact, what we have to tell is not the exact answer. What we have to find is whether statement 1 or statement 2 is sufficient to find the answer. Always remember, in all data sufficiency questions, you are not asked to find the answer. You have to only say from which statement you can find the answer. Now, this question is asked from UBI Manipal PO exam. Now, the answer is A if you can arrive at the answer from statement 1 alone. And the answer is B if the data in statement 2 alone is sufficient, and from 1 you will not be able to arrive at the answer. The answer is C if the data either in statement 1 alone or in statement 2 alone are sufficient to answer the question. The answer is C if you can arrive at the answer from either statement 1 or statement 2 alone. The answer is D if the data even in both statement 1 and 2 together are not sufficient. The answer is D if you cannot arrive at the answer combining the data that is given in statement 1 and 2. The answer is E if the data in both statements 1 and 2 together are necessary to arrive at the questions. Simply remember this A, B, C, D, E. This is the normal order in which this, wherever there are 2 statements are given. But you have to be sure, you have to ensure that this is exactly what is asked. Please remember that we are not asked to find the exact answer. Now what we have to tell is from which statement you can derive at the answer, or which combination of statement you can derive at the answer. So let us see the actual question. What is the question? Question number, point A is towards which direction from point B? That is the question. We shall never forget the question. In data sufficiency questions, always remember what is asked. Let us write it down. Point A is towards which direction from point B? A is in which direction from B? That is the question. A is in which direction from B. For that 2 statements are given. What is the first statement? If a person walks 4 kilometers towards north from point A, we have our legend here. We start from point A. This is statement 1. If a person walks 4 meters towards north from point A, so and takes 2 consecutive right turns, each after walking 4 meters, he would reach point C. So he takes 1 right turn and 2 consecutive right turn and reaches point C, which is 8 meters away from point B. We have reached point C, and the instruction given to us is point B is 8 meters away from point C. Where is point B? This is point C. We only know the distance. We don't know the direction. This is 4. This is also 4. D can be here. D can be here. It can be here. It can be here. It can be anywhere in the map. So we don't know where exactly is B is located. The question is asking A is in which direction from B. When we don't know where B is located, we cannot obviously arrive at the answer to the question, and therefore statement 1 alone is not sufficient to answer the question. Now let us look at statement 2. What does statement 2 say? Point D is 2 meters towards the east of point A. Let this be point A. Point D is 2 meters towards the east of point A. So this is point D. Point D is 2 meters towards the east. So D is towards the east of A. And 4 meters towards the west of point B. Therefore point B should be here. This is 4 meters. So we know where is point B, where is point A. So what is the question we have to answer? A is in which direction from point B? A is in which direction from point B? Obviously the answer is west. We need not arrive at the answer, but we know that we can arrive at the answer from statement 2. Statement 2 alone we can arrive at the answer. From statement 1 alone we cannot arrive at the answer. Combinations are irrelevant because from statement 1 alone you can arrive at, statement 2 alone you can arrive at the answer. Therefore the answer to the question is option B. Let us verify the answer slide. Yes, the answer is option B. Let us verify with the map slide. The map slide also very clearly shows the same map that we have drawn. And from statement 2 alone we can find the answer. Now let us go to the next question.